Hi, to fix slow charging problem on your Samsung Galaxy A16, as a first step, make sure that there are no damages on your charging cable and power adapter. Also, I suggest you to use power adapter with fast charging or super fast charging of 25 watts to fix slow charging problem, because this device supports up to 25 watts fast charging. Now, first thing we need to do is open phone app and here dial this number *9900 and hash again. This center should open, and from here you need to find and choose to reset your battery statistics. So just tap it and now it's done. After that we can exit this mode and then go in settings on the phone. Here we need to find this device care tab and choose battery. After that, scroll down and go in charging settings and make sure that fast charging is enabled. So if you see that the switcher is gray, you need to tap on it and it will become blue and fast charging would be enabled. Now let me just charge my device. For that I'm gonna take Type-C cable and plug it in the phone. So let me quickly do it like that. And after that, you should see here information fast charger connected. We can try to use different power adapters. So let me switch to the different power adapter with 25 watts and plug the cable in the phone again. And now we can see the super fast charger is connected. And also if you take a close look on the icon, you should see that it now got two lightning icons. So now you can see that I got 29 minutes until full with super fast charger. And now let me use my previous power adapter. And now I got 28 minutes until full with just fast charger connected. If you still cannot see information about fast or super fast charger connector, you should simply power off your phone for about 10 seconds, then turn it on again and connect the charger once more. And after that, you should see icon confirming that you're using super fast or just fast charging. And yep, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.